Hello, Chef David Rose back at it again at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. Only one thing left to do, and that's to plate. So we're gonna start out with the base of our hash. In there, we have the sweet potato, we have the Brussels sprouts, we have the bacon. I don't think you heard me. We have the bacon. We also have in there the corn as well, and it's just amazing. So you have some of that. Nice little neat pile in the middle of our bowl. Okay. Because again, we eat with our eyes first. All right. And then we have our scallops. Put those right in the middle like so. Everything always looks good in odd numbers. So we're gonna do 3 scallops. So come along with me. You got 1, 2, what comes after 2? 3. 3. All right. There we are. Got that going. And then last but not least, what ties it all together is that delicious, creamy, luscious mouthfeel Georgia peach beurre blanc. Kind of hit it around the rim of that. Like so. You know what? Put a little drizzle on top of the scallops also. And there you have it. You have our pan-seared scallops with the Georgia hash and a Georgia peach beurre blanc. Bon appetit.